it's Miss Rachel with the Otago Prattville Public Library, and today we are doing the Storytime Zoom Story Room craft for Thursday, December 17th. This is going to be our last Storytime craft kit for the month and for a little while. So let's go ahead and take out our pieces and get ready. First of all, I wanted to draw your attention on the back of our schedule. You've got an announcement about our programming break, so please be sure to read that so you know what's going on, and we'll start doing more fun and exciting things in the new year with you all. And then we're going to take out our cardstock Santa, and as a little bonus, you guys get some fruity snacks in this week's kit too, so you can eat those whenever your grown-up says it's okay. So we're going to start by coloring on our chimney here and coloring our little elements for click, clack, ho, 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 so we can sequence the pictures and put them down through the chimney. So my chimney is going to be red and brown, I think. I'm going to take my red crayon, begin to color it in. And I'm going to leave this top part nice and white so it looks like snow. You can color it in with white if you'd like, or if you have extra cotton balls at home, you can cover it up with cotton balls and make it look fancy that way. And you can also put some snow on the bottom of the chimney where the roof would be. However, be sure not to cover up this dotted line here, because that's where we're going to cut so that we can put the strips down into the chimney. And I'm going to do a mix of red and brown bricks in the chimney, just for funsies. So I've got my red bricks, and now let's do some brown bricks. You can do your bricks whichever color you would like. You could do red or brown, or you could even think outside of the box and do a different color. Green or gray, even blue or purple or pink. So many options. As many options as there are colors, and there are a lot of colors to choose from. So as I finish coloring in these bricks, you can start thinking about what colors you want our animals to be as they go in. So I'm going to color my duck at the bottom here. I'm going to color him yellow. And we actually only need one of these strips, so you can use both of them, or you can glue them back to back, or if you prefer, you can do one as a rough draft and one as your final draft. My cow is going to be black and white. My crayon is kind of big, so it's hard to put his spots on. But it's okay. I don't think my cow minds being a little bit messy. And my pig, I will make pink. And my sheep, I think I'm going to leave him white. And for the one that says everyone is stuck, this one with all the different animals, I think I'm going to use, let's see, what color haven't I used yet? I'm going to use some purple. And I'm just going to outline that box to make it look extra super fancy. But remember, you can use whichever colors you like, any way that you like. So now we are ready to cut this out. So we're going to take our scissors, and if you need help from mom or dad, that's a-okay. We're going to go ahead and cut up the side so that our squares are separated out from the chimney. And this part up here, cutting the slit, you're going to want to ask for help from mom and dad with. And mom and dad, or grandma and grandpa, or whatever grown-ups are around helping out, you guys can kind of fold the paper and just snip it like that to go ahead and create that opening. And that way, the kiddos can slip their items right in. Okay, so that's taken care of. Now we can cut out our sequencing strips, and we are going to cut each of them out. I'm going to glue mine back to back, I think, so that it's two-sided, and I can see from either side of the craft what animals are going in. Remember to clean up as you go, because you want to have a nice tidy craft area and workspace. And you want to be sure to wash your hands after so that you stay healthy and keep clean and all that good stuff. Your grown-ups really appreciate that when you do that. And then I'm going to go ahead and glue these, like I said, back to back. Plain white side to the other plain white side. However, before I attach them together, let's not forget about Santa. We're going to stick him with his feet at the very top of the strip, facing down on the glue. And then we're going to put the other strip on top and kind of sandwich Santa's feet in between so that he's secured in there. And once we let the glue dry, there we go. Look at the strip. We added Santa to it, which is perfect because now we can stick all the animals in the chimney until just Santa is popping out. And he says, ho, ho, uh-oh. And we can slowly, gently pull out and see all, whoops, mine got stuck because I didn't let the glue dry enough. See all of the animals that got stuck in the chimney. So this is a fun craft. It's also kind of a game. Once you're finished with it, you can play around with the animals and with Santa, the sequencing strip, and with the chimney. I hope you guys had a fun time crafting with me today, and we'll see you in the new year. Have a good day.